Hello students, we are discussing photosynthesis chapter. So in that we are already completed light reaction, C4 C3 cycle, C4 cycle also. So let us discuss today CAM pathway. CAM pathway, that is crustacean acid metabolism, called as CAM pathway. So in our previous video, that is a C4 cycle, it is occur in two compartments, that is mesophyll cell and bundle sheath cells. But here in CAM pathway, it is occur in different times in a single cell. Cell is single, time is different timings, but in C4 cycle that is occur in different cells. Here different time. Okay, let us discuss about CAM pathway, right? So ఇక్కడ CAM pathway అనేది mostly it is occur in desert plants. So in desert area it contains high temperature and low water molecules, so that desert plants shows scotoactive stomata. Scotoactive stomata, it means scotoactive means stomata open during night time and closed during daytime. So daytime closed, night time they are open. So this type of stomata are called scotoactive stomata. Mostly desert plants contains scotoactive stomata. So let us discuss about CAM pathway, right? So during night time, so this is the mesophyll cell, right? So in this CO2 epidermis, so here CO2 enter from the atmosphere to mesophyll cell. There it combines with PEP, that is phosphoenol pyruvic acid, which is a 3-carbon compound. Phosphoenol pyruvic acid to form oxaloacetate. It is a 4-carbon compound, that is oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid. Now this oxaloacetic acid enter into chloroplast. It is enter into chloroplast. This is the chloroplast. Oxaloacetic acid. There it convert into malic acid. ఆల్రెడీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసినాం C4 సైకిల్లో. సేమ్ C4 సైకిల్ ఎలా జరుగుతుందో ఇక్కడ కూడా అలాగే జరుగుతుంది. ప్రాసెస్ అంతా కూడా సేమ్గా ఉంటుంది, కాకపోతే డిఫరెంట్ టైం. సో హియర్ oxaloacetic acid convert into malic acid. So this malic acid, it is a vacuole, enter into vacuole. There it is stored during night time. During night time malate stored in vacuole. Okay, see the daytime. So during daytime what will be happen? Same mesophyll cell, what will be happen during daytime? So the picture is the same. This is the chloroplast and vacuole. Now malate is present in vacuole. So this malate enter into cytoplasm. There it convert into pyruvic acid and CO2. CO2 and pyruvic acid, that is pyruvate. That okay, right? The formed CO2 enter into chloroplast, and there it enter into C3 cycle. It is a common, we are already discussed about C3 cycle, right? There 3-phosphoglyceric acid, 1,3-bis-phosphoglyceric acid, that is a common pathway, and convert into glucose, right? The formed pyruvic acid from cytoplasm, it convert into phosphoenol pyruvic acid by taking ATPs. It convert into phosphoenol pyruvic acid. It again during night time it combines with CO2 to form oxaloacetic acid in the cytoplasm. It convert into it migrates towards the chloroplast. There it convert into malic acid, right? In the presence of dehydrogenase enzyme. సో ఒకసారి దీన్ని చూస్తే ఈ సైకిల్ మనకేం జరుగుతుంది ఇక్కడ? టైమింగ్స్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్. సింగిల్ సెల్ process is same when comparing to C3-C4 cycle. In C4 cycle, cells are different. One is mesophyll cell and another one is bundle sheath cell. But here in CAM pathway, it means in desert plants, timings are different. Cell is single, timings are different. During night time what will be happen? Stomata are open, then CO2 enter into the mesophyll cell. There it combines with phosphoenol pyruvic acid to form oxaloacetic acid. That oxaloacetic acid enter into chloroplast, convert into malic acid. That malic acid stored in vacuole. Malic acid stored in vacuole during night time. Okay, right? During daytime, that malate which is present in vacuole, that enter into cytoplasm. There it convert into CO2 and pyruvic acid. CO2 enter into the C3 cycle to form glucose. That pyruvic acid taking energy from ATP, it converts into phosphoenol pyruvic acid. సో ఇదంతా కూడా డెజర్ట్ ప్లాంట్స్లో మనకు జరుగుతుంది. వై? బికాస్ సో స్కోటో యాక్టివ్ స్టొమాటా డే టైం క్లోజ్గా ఉంటుంది, నైట్ టైం ఓపెన్గా ఉంటుంది, కాబట్టి ఈ ప్రాసెస్ అంతా కూడా జరుగుతుంది. క్రాసులేసియన్ యాసిడ్ మెటబాలిజం. ఎందుకు యాసిడ్ అంటున్నామంటే బికాస్ ఆక్సలోఅసిటిక్ యాసిడ్, మ్యాలిక్ యాసిడ్, సో ఇక్కడ యాసిడ్స్ ఫామ్ అవుతున్నాయి కాబట్టి, సో దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాసిడ్ మెటబాలిజం. క్రాసులేసియన్ యాసిడ్ మెటబాలిజం. సో అబ్జర్వ్డ్ ఇన్ క్రాసులేసి ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్.